Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile's Black Friday sale. Some of the sales they have going on, of course, they look like they're pretty good. You're saving quite a bit of money, and we'll talk about which phones are worth getting and the deals and how it works. So, right off the bat, if you go to boostmobile.com, you will see Black Friday sale, limited time offer, of course, and I'll tell you the start date and end date to this promotion. It's limited time offer, so. But before we continue, let's talk about our supporter right now, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes and discounts on any website that you decide to go with. So that includes Amazon, Walmart, Boost Mobile, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below, and it will help out the channel. Once you click that link and you download it free on your Google Chrome browser, you make your first purchase, and it saves you money. I get a small commission, so it helps out. So let's get on to the video, guys. So let's talk about two things. Like I said, the Black Friday sale, of course, up to $350 off Samsung phones, which is great. A lot of people are here on the channel are Android users. They also have save 50% off select bestsellers. Black Friday starts early, online only. So of course, you don't want to go to the Boost Mobile store Black Friday, especially probably closed. But like I said, online only. The LG Tribute Monarch, which actually have that phone, you're getting like 50% off almost. It's, I believe, $100 or $110, and you're getting it for $50. The LG K51, which is another good phone, it's $150. You're saving $50, getting it for $100. Let's talk about the big one, which is here, and then we'll talk about the little ones there. So it says Shop Phones. So these are the three main phones they're talking about. But we'll go through it. The main ones they're going to be talking about is the A10e, the A20, and then the S20 FE, which is an amazing phone. So here we go, the A10e, guys. The phone retails for $140 right now. It's $80. You're saving $60. That's enough to buy a plan on unlimited, and for the same price that the phone regularly is, you can get a plan with that. The A21 is $250. So right here with the Black Friday sales, it says you can get it for $150, and I have more information here. Yep. So this one you can get actually for $149.99. Hasn't changed prices here, but you can get it at that price. Another good one should be an S10. So let's look for that. Now they do have some discounts on iPhones as well, not just Galaxies. Like as you can see, you're saving $100 on an XR, $150 on an iPhone SE. And so on. Moto G Fast, another really good phone that I love. Well, my hair just woke up. And happy Thanksgiving, by the way, guys. The Moto G Fast, of course, that one's a real good phone. It's $150. You can get it for $90, guys. It's wood steel, big battery, man. That phone, the battery's just insane off of it. The big one off of all this that I just talked about, like I said, is going to be the S20 FE 5G. Really good phone, 120 hertz refresh rate, guys. The phone retails for $700. You can get it for $500. You're saving $200. That's a Black Friday deal right there. If you want a really good phone that you don't want to spend too much money on, that's the one to go with. Excuse me, you might be saying, why do I want to get it? Well, let's look at it. First off, you're getting a huge screen at 6.5 inches. You have a 32 megapixel camera, which I believe is the front facing. Talk time's 32 hours, guys. That's a pretty big battery. I mean, iPhone, I think, is like 17 or something like that. Storage, you're getting 128 gigabytes. So off the bat, you're getting 128 gigabytes. You can put it in expandable memory. It does have Android 10, of course. Here's the main features on it. And of course, it is 5G and VoLTE enabled. So pro grade camera, high power pro lens in your pocket means beautiful portraits, stunning landscape, and crisp, super close up in any light. Plus a 3x optical zoom, you capture crisp details up close. Wow. And the main thing that I like, besides the 5G, but 5G is not really there, is that 120 hertz refresh rate. So it's designed for hours of smooth scrolling and gameplay with 120 hertz. Really makes a difference, guys, when you're scrolling. Refresh rate for more fluid transitions. Minimize the camera hole for you to enjoy your favorite content on a large, flat, immersed Infinity O display. Another cool thing is the display is really good quality on this phone. Of course, there is 5G. It says 1.5. That's funny. It says 1. So this phone is 5G compatible. says the evolution of mobile technology has brought us to our 5th generation of wireless technology. When like I said, that's funny, 5G is available, Boost will be able to bring our customers blazing fast, high capacity mobile technology that will enable the next wave of mobile wireless innovation. So not there just yet. I don't think anybody really is there fully. Yeah, I know some people have started deploying 5G, like T-Mobile. Verizon just started doing it, and the low bands. But it's really not there all the way just yet. And let's look at more specs to finish this off, guys. Like I said, it does have a 4,500 milliamp battery. Talk time up to 32 hours. You cannot remove the batteries. Don't try. I've seen people break their phones trying to. This phone does have 6 gigs of RAM, guys. 6 gigs of RAM is pretty good. 128 gigs of internal memory, expandable up to 1 terabyte. Another cool thing for that price, guys, you're getting basically the newest Snapdragon. I know there's the Plus version, but guys, that same Snapdragon is on the S20s. Well, they might have the Plus, but you know what I mean. This has Snapdragon 865, so it's not no slouch. You can game all you want. That's cool that they actually put a strong processor in this phone. They didn't cheap out and put a cheaper, like 7 series or something. Android 10, of course. The camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide, so it does have 3 lenses on the back. It's a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel wide angle, 8 megapixel telephoto rear camera with optical zoom 3 times and space zoom up to 30 times, guys. I'm telling you, for the price, especially right now, for $500 instead of $700, it's the way to go. There's that 32 megapixel front-facing selfie camera, which is pretty good. Like I said, it's a 6.5 Super AMOLED 2x 1080 by 2400 Full HD plus smooth motion 120 Hz. And of course, it is USB Type-C. Does do Samsung Pay wireless charging as well. Overall, this is, like I said, probably the best deal you'll find on this phone, unless you do like a contract or something. Here's other phones that you can do, like I said, $100 off an XS. Out of stock for an iPhone 7 for $200. Jesus. Like I said, overall, those are probably the best ones. Yes, you can do these as well. Like I said, but these are the main 3 ones I'm focusing on, and the ones you should be focusing on. Now, this deal goes from, it starts today, and it goes up until the 29th of November, guys. So you have a little window right there of about 3 days to get this offer, so you don't have to, rush into a store and get this. It's great. So yeah, you can. This deal is also available. Well, this deal is available through stores as well as online. So if you didn't see some of these prices change, they are basically in-store promotion. So that's kind of like their Black Friday sales, which is great. So overall, I think it's a good deal. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. So please comment, rate, subscribe. Check out the description below for a lot of offers. Support the channel with a member. And become a member, like I said. Sorry, someone's texting me. It's Thanksgiving, like I said. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Thank you.